Hey guys, it's time. Had a great time at the show. Time to start pulling the front end apart so we can get the intercooler mounted up and go from there and start working on the cold side. So that's what I'm going to work on now. I have the truck outside. I'm going to work till dark because Steven has the LS Swap K5 in the shop. So let's get to work. All right guys, as you saw, I pulled the things off here because I'm going to cut these bars that run across because they're preventing it from going in there. Okay, first test fit with the pieces on so we can see where to cut in the firewall. Okay, in my bits of piping I figured out that this will work. This piece will work to get into this here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it on the bandsaw up here so we can work it around there. All right guys, I can't thank Justin Jones and Robert Lee enough for helping get this together. Robert Lee provided the 180 that I cut and destroyed. Yeah. And then as you'll see now, Justin Jones welded up the flange for us, so I'm fixing to cut the hole, and that way we can get everything mounted and get ready for the dyno day tomorrow. Woo. I need to bevel or make a bead on that end there, and to do that we're going to use these pliers here, which is the cheap do-it-yourself way to do a bead on that. So I'm going to chop the end off and show you what I'm working with. All right, so a couple little test passes on our spare piece here. Basically, you're going to put this little ridge on the inside, squeeze, I'll have to put longer arms on, but look at that, nice little bead. So now it's time to get to work and do that. All right, so I have added these sockets because my hands hurt from clamping on that, even though I've only done it a couple times on the practice one. So that's what happens when you get carpal tunnel. Holy shit. Screw that hard work, dadgum. Maybe easier on a smaller thickness pipe or something. I don't know, but that's hard. So anyways, that's how you do it. I don't recommend it. Just buy a kit. It's probably easier that way. So anyways, thanks to Justin Jones again for welding this up for us. And thanks to Robert Lee at NWA Streetworks for donating the 180 pipe that we made this out of. So, holy moly. I want to apologize for not getting more of this on camera. I just got down in it and got to work. And so all of the intercooler piping is done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with Stanley and all the stuff we got going on with it. Thanks a bunch.